Hi guys, welcome back to Nat 5 and 5. We're going to do more volume questions today and we're going to do non-calculator ones. So these often appear in paper 1 and the non-calculator section. Right, so find the volume. We've got a cone here and we've got a sphere. Again, you're given these two formulas in the exam. You're going to have to substitute everything in and you're not allowed to use a calculator. So let's look at the first one. So let me just change this to red. Okay, so the volume equals a third pi r squared h. So let's substitute in everything we know. So it says here take pi as 3.14. So wherever pi appears, I'm going to replace it with 3.14. So I'm going to use a third multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by the radius. And the radius in this case is 1, so 1 squared multiplied by the height, and the height is 9. Okay, so let's do one more line of working. 1 squared we know is just 1. Okay, so there we go. Now that 3.14, I probably want to deal with that last. That third with non-calculator questions is always going to be the one that you deal with first. If you look at that third here, a third really means divide by 3. So what number here would be the easiest number to divide by 3? And it would be this number here, the 9. So I'll just change my pen colour to blue. So if you can imagine 3 dividing into your 9, if you can do 3 into 3 goes 1 time, and 3 into 9 goes 3 times. So that simplifies things pretty nicely for us. So we've really got, I'll just do this step by step to show you 1 over 1, which is just 1, times 3.14 times 1 times 3. Now when you're multiplying, if you times anything by 1 it stays the same, and 1 divided by 1 is just 1. So if you again multiply it by 1 it just stays the same. So really I've got here 3.14 multiplied by 3. And if you want to do a little bit of working at the side, the 3.14 multiplied by 3, you get 12, 1, 3, 4, put decimal point in, 3 times 3 is 9. The volume is 9.42. Its volume, so it's centimetres cubed. So just think about how you can simplify this without a calculator. So let's look at the next one. Change my pen colour. So we've got a volume of 4/3 pi r cubed. Again, we're substituting everything we know. 4/3. Again, they tell you take pi as 3.14 times 3.14. The radius is 3 cubed. Okay, so let's work out that 3 cubed. So 4/3 multiplied with 3.14 multiplied by 3 cubed. So that means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is 27. Again, very similar to the last one. We've got a 4/3 here, which is really this 3 on the bottom really means divide by 3. What number here would divide by 3 nicely? And again, it's this number at the end here, this 27. So if I divide by 3, so 3 into 3 goes once, 3 into 27 goes 9 times. So I'm left with 4 over 1, which is just 4, multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 9. Now just be careful here. So a lot of people then want to multiply 4 by 9, but then you get a double digit, which is often more difficult to multiply by a decimal. So what I would recommend you do is just take 3.14 and multiply it by one of the single digits. Well, I would say multiply by 9 first, and then whatever that answer is, then multiply by 4. It makes it a lot easier. So I'm telling you to do this part first. So we've got 3.14 multiplied by 9. Okay, so 36, 9, 10, 11, 12, decimal point in, 9, 18, 27, 28. So I'm just doing this quickly because I know you know how to do that. Okay, so this part here is equal to 28.26, and then you need to multiply 28.26 by your 4. So 28 0.26 multiplied by 4. So 6 times 4, 6 to 24, 4 here, carry 2, 4, 8, 9, 10, put your decimal point in, 32, 33, and 4, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 113.04 is your final answer, and it's a volume, so it's centimetres cubed. I might want to write that again actually. 113.04 centimetres cubed. Okay, and that's your final answer. Hope that made sense to you, and here's one for you guys. Okay, so your turn. Again, you're not allowed to use a calculator, so just think about what I'm doing. Think about what order you're doing things in to make life a little bit easier for yourself. And good luck. The answers are there. Okay, guys.